Hey guys, I'm Voylin and welcome to this mini class for learning Japanese. For today's lesson we will learn about compound nouns in Japanese. For making compound nouns in Japanese we will need the particle no. So let's head straight over to the vocabulary that we will need for today's lesson. Let's go. Watashi, I or me. Shashin, picture. Daigaku, university. Nihon, Japan. Eigo, English. Gakko, school. Kurasu, class. The go that you see behind eigo can also be added to nihon to become nihongo, to become Japanese. A compound noun for the people who don't know is like you have police and man, you add that together and you become policeman. It's just adding nouns together to become one noun. In Japanese, to become a compound noun, it's very easy, you just use no. So let's take a look at these examples. Watashi no sashin, a picture of me. Nihon no daigaku, a university of Japan. Eigo no gakko, an English school. Nihongo no kurasu, Japanese class. No is mostly used when something belongs to someone. The last noun is the main object you want to talk about. And the first noun is just the extra information about the last noun. We can use no as many times as you want, like in these examples. So first we have gakko, a school. But what kind of school is it? Eigo no gakko, an English school. Is there any kind of more information that you can give about it? Nihon no eigo no gakko, it's an English school from Japan. So, Nihon no eigo no gakko. You have school last, it's an English school, so English comes before it, but it's also located in Japan, so Japan comes in front of eigo because it's an English school in Japan. The next example is shashin, a picture. Gakko no shashin, a picture of a school, but from which school? Watashi no gakko no shashin, a picture from my school. And that's how you create compound nouns in Japanese. It's a little bit confusing at first, but if you practice it a couple of times, try to make some examples on your own, place them in the comments below, and I'm sure you'll do just fine. It's quite easy once you get the hang of it. So thank you all for watching, thumbs up if you like it and learned something today, and subscribe to see all the new mini classes that come out for learning Japanese. See you all later, mata ne, ganbarimasu.